Hey guys, today I'm going to show you why is Cash App not letting me order a card. The first thing you need to do is open the Cash App mobile application. Once inside, you'll see the homepage of the app with different options to help you navigate its features. The section we need is located at the top right corner of the screen. This is the profile icon. Tap on it to access your Cash App profile section. After opening your profile, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Once you reach the end, look for the option called Support. Tap on it and wait for the support page to load. On this page, you'll see different categories designed to help users with common issues. Scroll until you find the option labeled Cash App Card and tap on it. This will take you to more card-related support options that cover common issues. From these, select the one that says Getting Your Card. Once you tap on Getting Your Card, you'll be taken to another page with additional sections. From here, choose the option called Ordering a Cash App Card. After you arrive on this page, scroll down until you see the Chat option. Tap on it and a chat window will open where you can directly communicate with the Cash App support team. Make sure you clearly explain the issue you're facing, including any error messages you've received if possible. After sending your message, wait a bit for their response. They will provide you with the next steps or a solution. That's how you can fix the problem if Cash App won't let you order a card. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.